Lighting, the lighting company with 24 years development history. Welcome to C Lighting version 7 Tomorrow LED today, the first real scene space customized for LED lighting solution in China. Welcome home. Let's go to the biggest elevators in the world. Here the design office. The 3-star pendant will be DIY and won't talk over the lighting and lighting decorations of the makeovers. Lighting corridor. Welcome to jewelry store. Clothes store. We passed ISO 901 in 1998. This self-floor building self-owned by C Lighting in 2001. In 2005, high-power LED lighting approved at Shenzhen High-Tech Project. We made R78 CFL lamps in 2006. Our headquarters is in this building. We also have 4 overseas companies in Canada, Hungary, Germany, and Philippines. Every year we go to exhibition. Welcome to our exhibition booth. Here is the World War. We won top 3 international design awards: Red Dot, IF, and IDEA. Welcome to the office. This candle with a mounting sensor. When people come, it will be brighter. When people leave, it will dim. Also with lighting compensating. When it's cloudy, it will be brighter. Alexa, turn on the warm light in the living room. Alexa, turn on the pendant light in the living room. Alexa, turn off all light in the living room. Alexa, turn on all light in the living room.
Okay.
This is the SmartLux product. You could voice control lights with Google Home or Alexa. Here is SmartLux hotel room. Panel control with 5 preset lighting models. Bright model, relax model, TV model, reading model, land coffee, land square, land salon, land pub, time tunnel, meeting room. This is our LED real scene space. Tomorrow LED today. Welcome your visit.